So, a little bit late, but better late than never, tonight's full moon near the Mauna Kea in the Hawaiian Kingdom in continuity for all people who are relating to the Mauna Kea as the Neville of our Earth Mother. So, this is a time of great, great tension, and as I said so many times before, whatever is in this image, yeah, whatever the lines are red, that's tension. Now here we have the sun in Libra. You know about Libra. This is the sign of harmony, of justice and beauty. That's the winter house of Venus, and then opposing Moon, little bit smaller than the sun, a lot smaller, but still able to cover almost the whole sun when in eclipse, in the sign of leading. Yeah, here is the general. Follow me. And running so fast and then looking over the shoulder. Oh, how come I'm alone? Nobody can follow me. So here, attention. And then here's Mars. So there's hot. This we can expect sable rattling, yeah. But then we look underneath, and then what is blue? Color of the color of water, for instance, yeah. That forms a beautiful pattern of a kite. And if we imagine, it also can be like a bow and an arrow. And here, here is the target, and here you're pulling the arrow, and you have this opposition of Pluto, which is the higher octave of Mars. And at the very, very, very end of Capricorn, the last Earth sign, where it is most, it's about the resources, the Earth's resources. Now, it's the last battle. Who can have the most access to the most Earth's resources? That's the last battle. And then Pluto is about to go to Aquarius, and what does Aquarius say? All of us, but right now Pluto is fighting the last battle, and there's opposition. And the most opposition comes from the mothers and say, no, not possible. So there's this kite, or also like an arrow in a bow about to be unleashed in this direction. Yeah, stop it now. The mother says, stop it now. And this whole image is so complex that my first thought was, well, this is like a cosmic grandma spider showing all her art to show us how to navigate through these times. Because, now we have this situation of, partnership is Libra, or I, me, myself is Aries. And then here we have oh my God, I have to look. It's at the 12th house. So it's a karmic situation that here on the Hawaiian island, falsely called the Big Island, east side, or, Mauna Kea is in the middle somehow. Sorry. So here, as the mother's right here, clearing up a huge amount of karma right now, yeah, and it's right in this particular location. And everybody who has been visiting Hawaii or has been living here and now still follows whatever is Hawaiian because of great love for this beautiful land and this beautiful mountain, beautiful island, will still relate. Yeah, I left my heart there. My heart is buried at the foot of Mauna Kea somewhere. Somebody lost their hearts there. Yeah. Now we have this It's finer, you know. The reason why these lines are finer is because the aspects are not very exact, so that it appear a little bit weaker. But still, remember who is giving you this reading. I'm a Pisces, and with Cancer rising, so I'm a very very pronounced water person, and we flow through the rocks, we flow through the landmines and curveballs, and we just flow and meander around. So we got to do this and kind of a little bit ignore this. This is all explosive, and of course, Big Island, how they call it, we have an active volcano, very active. So, but this is also, reflecting the world situation, because we are, imagine us being here, and from all sides now, we have this cosmic intervention of, probably also, like, where is the, where is the comet? It's like a lot of things are happening right now, affecting our lives. So let us be cautious. Now let's see, where is the sun? The sun is in the third house. And here, the third house is equivalent, as I said before, to Gemini, air. And it's about intellectuality, air is about intellectuality. And here, the third house is about learning. We are learning partnership. Yeah. And then we have in the opposite, in the ninth house. The ninth house is equivalent to fire sign, last fire sign, Sagittarius. There it is about what we have learned to create a philosophy out of it, a set of values that we are standing for. And in this case of leadership, the moon, just like shortly before, has crossed in his tracks the wounded healer Chiron, who is now leading us to understanding what is healing, to understand our own wounds. The image of the wounded healer is no one who hasn't experienced wounds, illness, and overcame it has any healing abilities. Many people can sell drugs or some uh, 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 surgical procedures where the body is treated like a bio robot, basically. Yeah. But what does a healer? She or he kicks up the other person's, or like pokes or motivates the other person's own self-healing powers. That's what it is. So now the wounded healers have to lead presently, because we are in a very tense situation. There are a lot of people that just want to blow up. It's like enough already. What Hawaiians would say, enough already. Yeah, and it's like the mother here. The mother, yeah. The mother is about to explode about all her children, all the siblings fighting with each other and about to destroy the whole house. It's not possible, just enough already. Yeah, what am I gonna do with you? So this is the world situation we're in, and as we are at such an exposed place in the very middle of the Pacific, and especially in this area where I now talk from, Puna, Lower Puna, there is such a mix of what is called races, nationalities, religions, cults, social classes, quote unquote, you name it, it's all here, like in in a very small area which is constantly trembling by an active volcano. You can feel it, sometimes almost daily. So this is where we're located here, and this is where I'm speaking from.